Are you tired of your computer acting up just when you need it the most? At Alona Computer Repairing Shop, we understand how frustrating that can be. Our expert technicians are here to provide quick and reliable solutions to all your computer woes.
Whether it's a virus, hardware issue, or software glitch, we've got you covered. And here's the best part. For our first customers, we're offering a lifetime service plan for just 250,000 rupees. That's right, one payment for endless support. Imagine never having to worry about computer problems again.
Call us today at 986-804-8560 to take advantage of this special offer. Don't miss out. Your computer deserves the best care, and so do you.
Ground yourself before diving in. Static electricity can wreak havoc on your components. Unplug the power cord and let's get started. First, check the power supply. Ensure it's securely connected and meets your computer's wattage needs. If you have a multimeter, test the voltage output. A faulty PSU needs replacing. Next, inspect the motherboard for any physical damage. Look for burn marks or broken capacitors. Ensure the standoffs are correctly installed and that all connections are tight. Now, let's move to the CPU and cooler. Make sure the CPU is seated properly and the cooler is securely fastened. Don't forget to check the thermal paste. It should be fresh and evenly applied. Now, let's test the RAM. Ensure it's properly seated and run a memory stress test with software like MEM-Test 86+. If issues persist, try removing RAM sticks one at a time to isolate the problem. Check all peripheral connections next. Unplug everything and reconnect them one by one.
If you're still having trouble, simplify your setup. Disconnect all peripherals and leave just one RAM stick in. If the computer still won't boot, it's time to seek professional help. A hardware issue might be lurking, and a pro can get to the bottom of it.